Hey guys, welcome back to another Reddit challenge. This is the vending machine. It dispenses wood chip chunks, carrot on a stick, diamond blocks, and nether stars at the cost of thermal expansion coins. You can replace these with any kind of coins and any value you like, and you can place any value you want on them. You could just quite easily fix that depending on what you would like. You can only use exact amounts because, for instance, if I were to put 5 coins in and use a 1 coin recipe, as you can see, I still get my 1 wood chip sawdust, but all 5 coins are gone. They're all gone. You can use any single one of these recipes. If I wanted to use 8 gold coins, I could use the 8 gold coins. As you can see, I can use the 8 gold coins, get my compressed sawdust. Anything less than 8, so 7, will not get me my sawdust. It'll just eat my coins, and I won't get what I want. Now, how this works is, if we come back here, we have a external storage on the slightly larger chest. You can use any kind of chest, it doesn't matter. This one kind of just filled the spot, I like the way it looked. And you are detecting the amount of coins within that chest. So let's go down to the lowest one, which is the compressed sawdust. That's this one here. You can see that if I were to right click this one, anything above 0, which is 1 on the platinum coins, will emit a redstone signal out here, and will activate this, which will turn this torch off and allow this torch to be turned off and emit a redstone signal. It's kind of like a locking mechanism coming from these. This will unlock this torch to be turned on, and when that torch is turned on, it turns this off, which, if we grab a cable we can see through here, will turn off the redstone signal leading to these hoppers, which is holding the items in creative chests above them, so that once the middle torch there is unlocked by one of these being active, we have this side as an input from up here where our buttons are, and they're all color coded so that they can go to specific inputs here for specific drops, and that way you can have as many as you want depending on the colors. You could split the lines and have even more than just what colors are available. You just have to add more of these little modules. You could make this as many drops as you like. You'd have to expand this obviously, or what you could do is have all of this underground and have a smaller vending machine with only like one of these shelves displaying and have a bunch of buttons on the side, and just have a small thing with a bunch of wiring underneath, which could definitely work as well. And basically that's how it works, but in order to delete these items we have to be able to do it without just deleting whatever's in there as soon as you put it in there. So what I've done is I've run this redstone signal coming out of the buttons down and around. You can see the redstone signal coming down from up behind this chest. It comes down and it comes into here, and it combines all of the button signals, so the different colors that the buttons are using, into one redstone signal that is output into a little clock here. You can see barely there's a lever there that gets turned on to this way, that gets flipped whenever any one of these buttons is pressed. And then once that lever is flipped, it will let this ender resonator run, which takes 5 seconds to flip the lever back. So what that will effectively do is run this redstone signal for 5 seconds, which comes up here into our item conduit, which extracts everything at a rapid rate when the redstone signal is active. So 5 seconds, it'll pull things out, throw it into the trash can, and it'll be trashed. For the moment I have creative energy cells and creative chests up here. You could put a little cobbleworks in there if you wanted to and have all of the resources generated with the cobbleworks. That would work 100%. There's enough room in here. If you were to do this exact build, it would be just fine. You can also separate these signals from the what are they called, detectors, and you could independently detect which type of currency is in the chest, and then only pull out the specific currency, it require a lot more wiring, and frankly I just didn't want to make the build much larger than it is. It's already quite large. If that is something you guys would like to see, let me know and I can do a version 2 of this build. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and like and subscribe I guess. Bye.